Most CAD software doesn't handle point clouds or 3D scans all that well. To reverse engineer, you need a program that fits geometry. CAM2 can extract geometric primitives from point clouds and export as IGES or STEP to any CAD package. I'm going to show you how in this video. Well, it's not the main purpose of FARO's CAM2 software. It can be used for reverse engineering as well as inspection tasks. So you see here, I'm reverse engineering from a 3D scan. So the first thing I did was scan the object and then downsample the scan in the point cloud menu, just so it's a little lighter weight on my computer for extraction. Next, I'll go to the Extract tab in the ribbon, use the selection tools such as lasso right here, and then click on the primitive that I'd like to extract. Circles, planes, cones, cylinders, slots, etc. And we're looking to rebuild this from the scan, probably in a CAD package, but we're going to get all the position, angle, and location data from this scan, so it's pretty handy for reverse engineering. See, I'm just flying through here, selecting different features and extracting them. And we're going to get to where we have just a whole bunch of features that we could file export to CAD, and we can choose a STEP file or an IGES file, and this will go right into any CAD software.